Hi, this is Ian Thompson and Associates, Remax of Nanaimo. Good things come to those who wait here in Lower Lantzville. This property offers the opportunity that you and your family have been waiting for a long time. Let's get together, buy an estate-sized property over an acre with ocean view and allows a carriage house. Now this is something you're going to like. There aren't many places on Vancouver Island that are really close to everything, but far from ordinary. Shopping at Woodgrove Centre is just up the road, but this property is not ordinary, is it? Look at that tremendous views. Just imagine your family enjoying it here and building access to the waterfront. The high bank really gives you elevated views and the privacy remain all around you. Call your agent to book a viewing today at this great opportunity on Lantzville Road.